Okay, we're going to prove that these two triangles are congruent and do the same for question 5. Okay, so we're not told that they are congruent. So even though I can tell that we have a 24 is our smallest angle and 45 is our medium and 111 is our large, I'm not allowed to say that this angle must be 45. I'm not allowed to do that because I don't know that they're congruent. Okay? It's our objective to prove that they are congruent. So, let's have a think about this. In this scenario, I've got an angle which is 24. Here I've got an angle that's 24. We have one pair of matching angles marked down in A. Over here, I have a side that's 12, and this is also 12. I have one pair of matching sides. Write down the S. Then I have one more angle, which is 111, and here I have an angle that's 111 degrees. And so I have one more angle. And is there a rule called the ASA rule? Or otherwise it's called the AAS rule? Yes, I do. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent using the AAS rule. Going to question 5, they don't give us too much information, but they do give us enough. Right, these markings show that we have two sides that are of equal length. And that means that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. And if it's isosceles, it means that these two angles are also equal to each other. Okay. Likewise over here, these two markings indicate it's an isosceles triangle, which means this triangle and this angle and that angle are also equal. So I can say that this angle is 77 degrees using the properties of isosceles triangles. I can solve for these two, or I could solve for that one, either way. So if I solve for this one, I'm going to do 77 plus 77 makes 154 degrees. And when I subtract 154 from 180, I'll solve that angle, which is 26 degrees. Perfect. 26, 26, that means this is 77, 77. Right. Which rule can I use now? I've got a side, an angle, side, angle, side. Look at that. I've got the S for side, angle for 26, and I've got another side there as well. Actually, I could also use double AS. Double AS. That would also work as well. Double A and an S. So I could have solved it two different ways for that one. Okay, good luck with your questions.